So this is the place I want to find it. So you will see how to lay ties. I want to do this right hand. So you will see how the stopper goes. So this is step by step. I'm now trying to dress. I've gotten the level. All I need to do is to check if the gate will close. So I close. So you can see that it's hanging. So I have to screw it so that we get the exact. Let's check this out. So that means we can now lay our ties because the gate can close easily, freely. So what I did top, so I'm trying to do it by the side so that you get everything. So this is you have to use this. Lap this. I've played the top. I added Genesis. So I added these two parts so that it's not remaining the down. I'll show you. I'm through with the cutting. Now I want to add our tape. Done adding the cement under, it's just to add cement again to the ties. I've added the ties. I just push it inside, so I'll be tapping it so that it will lap. So I've added one. So the next is so I'm putting this one right now. So I've added the last one. So you can see it. It is wrapped up. This is the result. So I still have work to do. So right now everything is set. It's for me to do filling. So I'm about filling it. So right now I'm done with the filling. It's time for cleaning.